Do you like turtles? Well, I hope you do, because what I'm about to tell you is going to leave you shell-shocked. Sorry, got a little dust on my shoulder there. Home buyers, high interest rates actually benefit you way more, in my opinion, when you are purchasing a home. Yeah, I said it. And I don't regret it one bit. And here's why. Let's go over the pros and the cons of what I just spewed onto you, okay? The cons of high interest rates are, when you buy a home, you might risk having a higher monthly payment. Now to the pros, my favorite part. When interest rates are high, houses tend to sit a lot longer. And oh, by the way, there's way less competition out there because most people think, I'm just gonna wait till interest rates drop. So, you, as a buyer, have a way higher chance of making an offer less than the asking price. And on top of that, the secret sauce to this is that you can have the seller pay to have your rate dropped. What? Yeah, you heard it. One last quick pro of high interest rates, you're more likely to have the seller remedy any issues in the house that you find during your inspection. Need I say more? So, what you thinking? Still want to wait for rates to drop? I get it. I totally respect that. But I hope this video was helpful for you to maybe think a little differently. I'm Tyler Owens, your Spokane, Washington Realtor. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to speaking to you soon.